Come here. Whopping girl, huh? Whopping. Huh? Huh? Guess what I just Alright. So you don't know what these stuff are. I already saw in here cause they opened it up. And yes, but I'm gonna do an unboxing on the rest of these. Yeah, I gonna hit up the plug, you know. You see, I sort me up with a little something to get some of that good stuff. So he told me to meet him up at Commander Bay. Gonna take a little drive out there. Now that smoke, you don't know. Them type of things there. Yeah, I still getting used to this vlogging shit. In the States it's normal for them, but came on when you don't got people walking around with a camera, right up in people's faces, talking to themselves like a weirdo. And literally in my car, talking to myself. People probably seen me, this camera in my hand while I driving, talking to myself. No weird, yo, that is so weird, blood. If you ever see me walk up in Kirk's or Foster's supermarket, or how up in to be busy, yo, people going, yeah, they gonna think I am mad, man, or something. So yeah, man told me to meet him on the second floor, so I'm going up here now. You got the stuff for? You got the money? Yeah. That joke, man. We come get I come buy a vape from them, man. on the way, yeah, talking about, yeah, I gonna go link my arm plug to get some of that good. Yeah, boy. I'm officially a vapor now. We're gonna buy a Subaru. I just get my parts today, don't I?
For the wagon?
No, for my Civic, brother.
Oh.
Fuck that wagon, bro.
Sell it already?
What?
The wagon?
No, it again fixed, man.
Yeah, the cotton should last about another week, but after that, then you change and then you get the right flavor for the thing.
Alright. So yeah, we did, yeah. Come on, Bay. Just hit up the plug. But yeah, going back home now, do the unboxing video. First hit.
Already, so you taste it more.
I don't know nothing about vapes, man. You gotta remember that. Alright, so I leave in Commander Bay, you know. Home to the unboxing video. Let me turn it down. Alright, Beezy here. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. I'm gonna just bear with me because this is my first time doing this. I'm not used to this. Like I said, I'm not used to the camera. I feel weird and shit, but just good. I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. These some goodies for Project Beezy. So some of them are already open. They came open, so a hard little unboxing video is more like a show you what's in the box video. Shout out to my boy Chad from Island Outlaws doing that brought in the product to me. I'm gonna put his Instagram probably like right here. Shout out to my boy Chad. So yeah, just start from smallest to biggest. Alright, first box, I already know what they are, so it's not really a surprise, but next video, I do like a real unboxing, like cut it open and yeah, whatever. But yeah, these European side markers, you know, a little closer look at them here. So they clear. Come with these little plugins, I guess you got splice them. So yeah, got the Euro side markers to go with the Euro tail lights. I'll show you them in a minute. But yeah, let's get to the rest of the unboxing. Alright, this one I cut it open already because I wanted to see where it was. Cause yeah, don't worry about that. engine bay dress up kit. So it comes with 20 of them. I chose purple because that's the color I wanted them to be. So I take them out of the bag, make them see them better. So that's gonna be some. You see that? Yeah. 20 of them. Alright, this now I think this is the extended shifter. Yeah, that's it. This is a 6-speed. So yeah, it blocks still now, but I have probably sprayed over to match the color scheme. You know, the little theme that you're going for with the car. Have a shift now, brother. It's the Allen key that you use to, like, you know, change the height on. Yeah, just position it onto the stock shifter. Yeah, extend the shift now. Beezy. 6K HIDs. So yeah, comes with a little mesh for protection and shit like that too. As you can see, the ballast, the actual fog light is in here too. And then the housing gunmetal gray, but I'm gonna change the color when the car gets sprayed over. So. Alright, big box. See it? Right. The headers, well, the proper term is header. Yeah, it's the header and downpipe, or whatever this thing called. So yeah. And it's the header. Freshy. Also comes with all the gaskets and the bolts and stuff, so new hardware, fresh hardware, you know, better than nothing. I take one up still. Some shitty gaskets still. And I'm like, watch out, this one's been up. No, nothing still. I remember we were telling them about the European taillights that go with the European side markers. They're going on still, so I haven't unboxed them yet. So, oh yeah, I got the spacers too. I do unboxing on them. Even though I didn't know boxes, so you know, can't call it an unboxing. It's like a unwrapping, I guess. Taillights, Euro taillights. In Cayman we call them the straight clears. Yeah, they're fresh. And I didn't even have to order these, but I got them from one of my brethren, but he don't live in Cayman anymore. He got them for his SIR. But yo, I got these on a deal. Proper deal, bro. Proper deal. Yeah, see that? Freshy. Put these down now. Alright. This here is gonna be my little secret. And some my little secret. This way it's gonna be like wide, I don't know. They're gonna get some fender flares too, but yeah, just hush about that. 2-inch wheel spacers. This tool, not to actually shut up for one box wrapper, but still look at the thickness. Look at this. Hub centric. They have this flat turbo. I had lent a pair of them to somebody and whatever. Yeah, they had to order a next pair for me. So probably like next week they should be here. So yeah, I have all 4 of them. Maybe extra poke. Cause my rims are running 15 by 8. Basically the wheel specs like 15 by 10 bolt. Even though they 15 by 8, but the 2-inch wheel spacers. Oh. Yeah. Oh shit, I forget something. The front lip and the rear lip, bro. When I first saw them in the video on the side, gym style front and rear lip. You can see they got bent in shipping because they packaged it in like a box so smaller than the actual lip. But can't do nothing now. I could probably just use a heat gun to shape it back out. Yeah, it's not rare. It's a rare. Come all the bolts and shit inside, and then this what I've been waiting on. This is the drum style front lip. No, it's not a paper lip, but I planning on ordering a charge speed lip just in case I don't like how this lip like looks on the car. So if anything, I probably selling this. I don't know yet. Yeah, just know I gonna have sound in my car too. So yeah, don't worry about that. Running 212s, door speakers in the front doors, the back doors, the trunk, tweeters. I got 2 amps, a 1000 watt amp, and a 1200 watt amp. So we'll be Gucci, thumping down the road, you understand, licking up people windows and shit. Yeah, the Beezy way.